Hi, I'm Jess from White Rose Education. When I use end-of-block assessments, I use them to assess students' understanding as well as inform my next steps when planning. Considering each question individually, I look for commonalities of success or opportunities for improvement. For example, if most of my class got question 2 incorrect, I would ask myself, is it that students don't know how to simplify a ratio, or have they perhaps not simplified it fully? Using this information, I can incorporate an intervention into my planning. This can be as simple as adding a simplifying ratio question into my start at every lesson for the next few weeks. If, for example, many of my students struggled with question 6 is a 3-part ratio question where we are given the whole and need to find one part. To understand where my students got this question wrong, I could look at question 4. This is a similar structured problem where I have been given a whole and asked to find a part. If students got question 4 correct, then I may assume that the problem was the lack of familiarity with a 3-part ratio. However, if students got question 4 wrong, then it is likely that they need more exposure to ratio in a context. A good way to intervene if more exposure was necessary could be using homework or a small group intervention. What happens if the majority of my students got question 4, 6 and 8 incorrect? I would have an additional lesson on contextualised ratio problems, focusing on how to understand the problem. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe for more videos like this if you have found it useful.